Okay, we're going to review our targets, and one of the things I was going to go over is there a difference with these rifles using the 53 ammo, which has a 308 bullet, and they can use their Stamp D, they can use the 311 bullets. I wanted to prove that, is there a difference in accuracy between the two bullets also. And again, a lot of people state that the Finnish rifles are no different in terms of accuracy than the Mosin Nagants. And I care to disagree with that. With the correct ammunition, in that we're going to prove to where these Finnish guns, they're just built with a better quality barrel and tighter tolerances, and the whole reason they modified these is the step barrels, the more sturdier barrels, and the Finns took time to put the guns together really nice, really tight. Okay, now the Mosins are good guns, but I believe the Finn guns, if in good condition, unlike the one we have issues with here, the 27, okay, you can get one that don't shoot at all and worth a damn, okay, and we're going to work on that in separate videos. But my point is, in my opinion, the Finn guns shoot better with the correct ammo, and each rifle is different, much like the Nagants. Some are a little more accurate than others, and the guns will react differently to different ammo and things of that nature. Alright, so we dropped the, you've seen in the video, we dropped 27. So we're just going to go over the two targets for the 39. Okay? And please, if you would, hit the like button and subscribe. It helps with the algorithm. Okay, the 7.62 by 53 in the M39. This is a staple hole. Those are my two sighters. I had to adjust my windage a little. Kind of knew that. And that's two bullets there. So we got 4 or 5. And again, we keep getting these flyers. Now, this is with the 30 caliber bullet. It shot well. And without the flyer, you're looking at 1 inch. With the flyer, you're looking at 2 inches. Okay, 2 inch group. But 1 inch without the flyer, which is pretty respectable. Now, when I was using another, I'll take them out and I'll shoot with them. We'll get out to 100 yards and see how they do. This is about the results I got in my testing. When I developed the load. So this is pretty consistent, pretty accurate. Okay. Now when I used the other load with the 311 bullet, you can see a little bit more spread out. Actually looking at the target here, that hole there, I believe from the shape of it is 2 bullets. These guns are pretty accurate. You get a lot of that. So that's 2, 3, 4. And if we put it in there, it's 1.5 without the flyer. And with the flyer, it's 2 inches. Which, this one here was 2 inches. Alright, so I believe the 30 caliber bullet likes it better. It's a bit tighter, but it's close. The groupings do look a little bit tighter with the 308 bullet. The rifle probably likes it. I know it did well in that long barreled 91, so that's the results with the hand loads. Now, I haven't compared them to mil surplus, just the stuff out of the Spam can. I may do it. I'm going to hang on to these targets, keep track of all this stuff. And then we can go back and say, hey, I used this other ammo, I used the same gun, and this is the results I got. Alright, so that's about it, guys. That's close to it. From these groups here, do the Finn guns shoot a little bit better than the Mosins? Well, let's take a look at our best Mosin group. Of course, the ammunition could be touched up a little. Yeah, you can say they're tighter. They're a little bit tighter than the, the Mosin targets. So it looks like the Finn guns with the correct ammo in that do perform slightly better. Okay, and over time we'll see how they work. And like I said, this is just one load. You can change the powder and get way better results, but right now it's kind of tough to swap around. You got what you got, and that's about it. But there you go, guys. That's what we got so far. We're going to keep track and keep fooling around out there and see what we can do. All right.